this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use a couple of apps that I really like to help you get organized with your life. The first one I want to show you, you can go to Play Store and search for it, is Easy Voice Recorder, the one right here on the left. And I'm not going to activate it because then my recordings for this video won't work. But download that, and in a future video I'll show you how to use it a little bit better. But look for something called Easy Voice Recorder on the Play Store. And then the other one is the, you don't have to download it, probably came with your phone. It's Google Calendar. And that's a great app. You can actually use it to, you can use your phone just by saying, hey G or hey Google. I'm not going to say it because then it'll activate my phone. And then you can add an event to the calendar with just your voice. And I'll show you how to use that on a future video. So for today, just download those two apps. Go to, well, you're going to be downloading one because the other one's probably already on your phone. It's Easy Voice Recorder, which is this one right here. And then the Google Calendar, which is right there. So those two will give you a good head start getting your life organized. And then in future videos, I'll show you some more things. And there's a couple of apps that are really helpful too. But I hope that helps, and take care. Thanks. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe so I can show you some more stuff in the future. So hit the like and subscribe on YouTube thing so it can help you. Thanks. Bye-bye.